Yes, dear friends. In last video, we learned up to dispersion of light through glass prism. We derived formula for refraction N equal to sine A plus delta m by 2 upon sine A by 2, and I solved many numericals in last video based on prism. This chapter, this topic prism is very important for you. Please take care, and if you like the video, please keep on sharing and telling your friends to subscribe me. It will be very beneficial for them, not for me. So this is delta m. You know what is delta m? Deviation. यानी कि prism produce deviation. It is the deviation which causes the dispersion of light. Means constant color of light get separated. The glass prism and glass slab, they are two things. They are made of same material, but it is the prism which disperses the color, not the glass slab. Reason: in case of glass slab, the incidence ray and emergent ray remain parallel. There occur no deviation. In prism there occur deviation which depend upon reference N also. Reference varies from violet to red color. Violet color has maximum value of reference N. Red has the least. So in the diagram which I draw first, violet color most deviated. I saw there, like this it was white light, red color like this, and violet this way. So most deviated color is go larger than greater than delta n for a given prism. Now we will study here this deviation produced by a thin prism. Which prism is said to be thin? If angle of prism A is very small, that is up to 10 degree, then prism is called thin prism. Angle A small, so thin prism. I have told you when theta tends to 0, sin theta equal to theta, tan theta equal to theta, cos theta 1, and this approximation is true up to 10 to 15 degree, and that is why we need this thing here. Now, so for thin prism, formula n equal to sine A plus delta m by 2 upon sine A by 2 is reduced to n equal to A plus delta m by 2 upon A by 2. It is because if theta tends to 0, sin theta equal to theta. Here 2 cancel. So A plus delta m equal to Na. What is N here? Refractive index. So delta m equal to n minus 1 into A. So delta m is the reference index, new deviation produced by prism. Since different colors since value of n is different for different colors, so delta m is different, and we say hence dispersion of light takes place when light passes through glass prism. Whether it is thin or thick, whatsoever is the angle A, but when light passes through glass prism, deviation to always occur. Actually, this derivation taken for understanding the deviation clearly. Deviation by n is equal to sine by a plus delta m by 2 upon sine a by 2. So whether prism is thin or thick, deviation occurs. In glass lab, there occur no deviation. In glass lab, the emergent light and incident light remain parallel, it was the path, and after refraction here, again it come parallel. तो ये parallel है, इसलिए deviation does not take place when light pass through glass prism, and that is why glass slab does not produce deviation while made of same glass. In prism, the deviation depend on n and a. Value of index, value of refractive index is maximum for violet color and minimum for red. This is very important. Generally, it is asked, arrange the index in order of increasing, decreasing order, but we have noticed that students are unable, because ultimately you have to go through and keep the thing in brain. So reflection, dispersion of light takes place, means when light passes through glass prism, it is split into constant color. It is gold. Deviation takes place in light when light passes through glass prism, which depend on n. Now there is another term here, angular dispersion. Angular dispersion. So when light passes through glass prism, different colors are deviated in different direction. The difference of deviation produced by prism in the difference of deviation produced by prism between any two colors is called angular dispersion. But we measure the deviation but we measure the angular dispersion. Angular dispersion between extreme colors. Colors of light which we receive, that is violet and red. So here, if it is a prism, here it is white beam of light. It would have gone straight if prism had not been there. Then red color dispersed like this, red, violet color like this, and if we produce them back, they appear to come from this point O. This is theta, angular dispersion between violet and red color. There are other colors also. Don't think that only red and violet. It is white beam, white light pass through. This is delta R, and this is here delta V. So here angular dispersion between violet and red color. Theta is equal to delta V minus delta R. But we know delta V is equal to NV minus 1 into A, and delta R NR minus 1 into A. So theta here will be NV minus 1 into A, or minus NR minus 1 into A. NV and R represent index for violet. When we subtract it, we get NV minus NR into A. You can take any two color. Actually, from sunlight on the surface, we are unable to receive violet color. So we take their blue color. I will tell you where we need this. So this is called here angular dispersion. Now there is one more term here which is important for you. Everything is important. Everything is important in physics, because we come to know what is happening around us and what is the real thing. Galileo was prosecuted when he told that Earth is not at rest, it is revolving around the sun. According to the theory at that time, Earth was at rest, everything was revolving around Earth. So people were very angry with him. So these misconceptions, when taken granted true, and someone breaks this, so we don't feel. So many things are happening around us due to blind faith. Physics clear the blind faith. So now what is that? Dispersive power. Dispersive power. Dispersion से बना dispersive power. Dispersive power. तो what is dispersive power? Disperse करना, अलग अलग करना. तो ability of glass prism. Ability of glass prism. To disperse the constituent colors of light is called dispersive power. In physics, everything is to be measured. Then how do we measure it? It is measured as the angular dispersion between extreme color कौन कौन भाई हो violet to red, violet and red, to the deviation produced by prism in average color. Remember, yellow color is the average. Remember it. Many times has been asked in board exam, which is the average color of light. Yellow color. That is omega is equal to. It is by omega. Theta upon delta y. Theta is the angular dispersion between violet and red color, or omega equal to delta v minus delta r upon delta y, or it is nv minus nr into a upon delta y, n minus 1 into a cancel, so omega equal to nv minus nr upon ny minus 1. It is independent of the angle of prism. It depends only on index. So, dispersive power is not the property of prism, though we learned it from prism. It is the property of material prism. You can write here, since omega is independent of angle A, so it is not property of prism. It is the property of material of prism. Material of prism. Larger the different index, greater the dispersive power. Flint glass, among all the glasses, has flint glass. Dense flint glass has maximum value of N for every color. So prisms are made of flint glass. So prisms are made of flint glass, and lens is made of crown glass, because in lenses we don't want to disperse. Dispersive power. Lenses are made of crown glass. This question has been asked in different competitive exam also. Can name the glass which is used to make prism and lenses. In lenses here we don't want dispersion, though they produce, and there is defect of lens due to which this dispersion takes place is called chromatic aberration. Now our eye is most sensitive for F line and C line of light present in between F line and C line के बीच के जो कलर है उनके लिए हमारी आँख सब सेंसिटिव है. F line for sky green color. Sky green color. It is red color. C line for red. Hydrogen light or light obtained from hydrogen when passed through prism produce its own spectrum. So in the spectrum of light produced by hydrogen, give this spectrum varying from, there are many colors, ultraviolet to infrared, but our eye is most sensitive between these two colors. So internationally omega is equal to NF minus NC upon ND minus 1. ND the reference index for red color. D line, this is also present in spectrum. So internationally we assume this. So this is something about prism. Now some questions are to be done. I will meet you in coming videos. But please like, if you like my videos, share them and ask your friend to subscribe my channel and sit at home and learn the things. Don't waste time to go here and there. Don't waste money also. Thank you.